State Police, I'm recording. The reason I stopped you is that you drove slightly outside of your lane back there. I see that you got a gun right there. Don't reach for it. And don't touch it. Just go ahead and keep your hands on the steering wheel. The other reason I stopped you is that we got a report of you throwing stuff out the window at another car. Keep both your hands on the steering wheel, please. Yeah, somebody called in and said that you were throwing things out the window at them and brake checking you. Yeah, do you know anything about that? Okay. Do you have a driver's license? Yeah. Well, just hold on. Where's your license at and where's your registration and insurance card? Okay. Go ahead and get it out, but don't touch that gun or I'll shoot you. The license, registration, insurance. Where's it at now? Before you reach for it, tell them where it's at. Okay, perfect. So why would somebody call in about you throwing stuff out the window if that didn't happen? Nothing? Okay. All right. You go ahead and put your wallet away and then put both your hands back on the steering wheel for me. Appreciate it. And while I'm up here, I'd like you to just keep them up there at the window, please. Thanks. Could you covered? Got a gun in the center of the console. Don't hold it. .24, did you copy? Anybody else in the van with you, sir? Why are you keeping a gun unholstered right there on the center console like that? Don't keep the hands on the steering wheel. You always drive around with it just right there? Yeah. Well, if you come to a stop, it might just slide right off. I'm just curious. I don't see that very often. I make a lot of traffic stops. I got it. You keep taking your hands off the steering wheel, and I want you to keep them on the steering wheel. I understand that. Hey, stand right. Look at that. Holding on to keep his hands on the steering wheel. Okay. He's got a gun right there. It's unholstered. And I told him to keep his hands on the steering wheel about 5 times. He's not doing what I'm telling him to. 24, 12, 10. $410-7680. Copy. He's got a handgun about 6 inches from his right side, unholstered, and there's curtains in all the back windows. cover units here with me. Hey! Beat it off the gun! Get back here! Good, fired! Shot fired. He's still moving. What did he do? Hold my left side. Here, I got this side. Jakob, we've got one trooper up in the woods on the right. Is he back? Is Jakob back? No, is he back? Is he back with us? Have him make his way through the wood line back to us so he's not in the crossfire. Jakob! Hey, make your way through the wood line back to us! We got one trooper off to the far right past the van. Hey. Yeah. We've got armor en route. Yeah. So we're going to use armor. We'll just do approach with armor. Yeah, we need to probably pop the back windows out with a 40. No SPC. So we'll do that, all right? Can we get our armor started too? Hey driver, put your hands out the window. We have an ambulance coming to help you. Driver, help us out. We know you got a gun in there. Just leave it inside the van and put your hands out the door. We're going to help you.